the subcostal four-chamber view. In the subcostal four-chamber view, it's very important that you place the transducer truly below the xiphoid or the ribs and aim the transducer or the beam of the transducer towards the heart. And you want to visualize all four chambers, the right ventricle seen over here, the left ventricle, the right atrium and the left atrium. Overall, free fluid most likely will be, especially when it's hemodynamically relevant, around the right ventricle. So the right heart is the first thing you want to see and overall the most important structure to visualize.
From there, you want to move up and look for a pneumothorax. You're going to place your transducer into one intercostal space and you want to image between the ribs. So in this image, you can see there's a rib on the left and the right side, and you have the adjacent rib shadow behind that. And below that, you can see the bright pleural line and the pleura sliding nicely when the patient is breathing.
And this so-called pleural sliding, this is the moving motion of the parietal and the visceral pleura. As soon as you see this pleural sliding, you can exclude a pneumothorax. So that's a rule out for a pneumothorax.
This image was taken with an abdominal transducer. Usually in lung ultrasound, you would use another transducer, wouldn't you?
Exactly. You would use a linear transducer. With a linear transducer, you even have a higher resolution. And as seen in this very nice example over here, you have a rib on the left side of the screen. On the left side is always cranial, and a rib on the right side of the screen, that's caudal. And in between those two ribs with the adjacent rib shadows, you do see this pleural sliding, this sliding motion of the pleural line, which is very nicely visible. So this is a rule out for pneumothorax.